In this blizzardy day, outside, you can make out a single lone stick. Actually, you probably can't. I can though. I'm smart. Let me see if this works.
Where is it? I don't know. It's gotta be in there somewhere. Look in the.
Let me see if I can find a lone stick. Oh, there it is. A lone stick.
I want to see his Play-Doh.
Look under the right table.
The lone stick. Out in this blizzardy day, there's just a couple of trees barely hanging on to their roots, blowing, swooshing. And if you think it's not that strong because you can't hear it, then let me let you hear it in full power.